I was sure you were dead.
Dying isn't available to me.
What an unusual thing to say.
Little ghost, you're listening. I like most of your thing. You see,
You know, you are fascinating. You're also trapped.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me.
The point is, everything has a place!
Ah, hubris.
Tell me how to get out of this place. It would be a shame for you to die. Why am I doing this? Again! Wait, are you dead? By keeping this doorway open, I do have other work.
I'm just a really, really, really old man
Sounds like you have a really sad job.
who lives in a fish.
Not everyone gets to do their very favourite thing all of the time. This won't be pleasant. I don't want to look in there. Why can't I see your trauma?
Oh, is that what you're doing? There must be something I can give you. You seem stressed out.
Look, Kashi! I do not need anything from you.
So take my hand perfectly. We fill the gaps, you and me make three. I was meant
Where did you get all of these different coloured rings from?
Lived many lives.
I like my job.
Imagine
I'm good at my job.
thinking there was only one way to do any one thing. How difficult would life be?
Why are you being so kind to me? Are you insane? Can't believe I'm risking it for these two boys because a happy man and a fish.
Hi, hello!
Gave me a glowing ring. I don't enjoy violence, but I'm not above it. This is what I get for being helpful? No! This is what I get for being receptive? You will enjoy working here on Earth. And we'll sort this whole mess out.
That doesn't work for anybody but you.
That is the point.
I suspect we are going to the surface.
You wouldn't want him back like that.
Was the man in the fish a zombie?
Honestly?
Here,
I don't know what he was.
take this. To remember our adventure,
But you remind me of him.
small as it was.
And you liked him, right?